Gary here, and we're going on a flight with the drone. This is the DJI Mini 2, and got the hat on. This is the coolest hat in the world for those of you who are questioning the sunshade here. It's not that sunny, but we're going for a flight anyway, and it's going to be real quick because the sun is going down, it's dipping down below the horizon there. But flying across this field near my place down by the river, and there is usually I drive by. When I drive by, I see about 20 to 25 deer just grazing or eating or whatever they do in the field there. So we're gonna see if we can go out and get a few cinematic shots of them, and we're gonna test out the drone. Still learning the controls, getting a little bit more comfortable with it. Okay, let's get right to it. Oh man, so it is getting dark. There I am going across the screen. Let's put me in the corner here. Yep, there I am. It is getting dark, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump above this fence that you see here. Let's go ahead and take off.
Take off.
Take off, it said. Take off slow.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Take off slow. Let's cruise above this fence. Alright, I've had problems with these birds that are in this area here, so hopefully they leave me alone today. Oh gosh, oh great, here they come already. Where the heck do they come? Alright, they either do not want this in their area, they're threatened by it, or I'm not sure what the case is, but I'm not going to hang out here because it's not safe. I don't want to hurt one of the birds, and my drone is expensive. I don't want to hurt the drone, so let's just get out of here really quick like. Let's try to get that horizon up there, sort of like the rule of thirds. Man, those birds are following me. How far are they gonna? All right, I'm gonna turn around. So they only follow me to a certain point. Looks like they must live in these trees where I took off from, because they got people watching me, watching the drone flight. So which is a little weird because I'm still narrating. Yep. Like a camera? Yep. Alright, they got asking me questions. I gotta see where these birds are. You know what? I don't mind flying around people, but they're so fascinated by a drone pilot to the point where, I want to be respectful, but I want to be set. Oh, where is that? Oh God, there. I got to get away from those birds. You see them flying around there. All right, let's go. Oh man, I don't want to hit one. Gosh, they're all following me. All right, we're gonna back up here and get. Oh gosh. Oh, all right, that's it. To be wise, it's one of the rules. Just don't fly with any sort of machoism, and that's not what that is there. But I don't want to fool around with those birds any more than I actually want to get the heck away from them. So we're gonna move along and see if we can find the deer down there. Okay, we are 70 meters. It's getting dark, so we're gonna swoop in. Last time I was here, I was just attacked from every angle. Ants were on my my legs and ankles. The birds started their attack. That's where I first learned about them. And what else? Threatening to rain, so I had to quit, get out of there that time. All right, here we are. So let's see if we can get a little bit more light on the lens. Then as I was flying, I actually hit a bird trying to fly home, and during that time the remote battery died. So a little bit of everything. Okay, here's looks like the deer hanging. Oh, I spooked them. I don't really want to spook them. But let's see, 9 meters. Okay, we're gonna get about 10 feet above the grass there. Oh gosh, losing light. Okay, that was pretty cool. Oh, there's a lot of them hanging out. Turn around here. Gosh, look at them all. Well, are those deer right there? Looks like they are. Yep, that's one right there. It's a little too dark. Yep. Let's see if we can hit the... Oh, look at that. I was not recording. How about that? Very smart, Gary. Very, very smart. So at this point we can see if we can 25, we're going 30 frames per second. Let's get the over here. Let's see if we can, get some more light. Let's see, ISO 16. Well, that's getting dark. Of course it is. Okay. Alright. Yeah, people coming to bother me again. Not really bother me, but they're just coming to check out what I'm doing, which is okay. Alright, so we're just going to have the screen recording this time. That's alright. Kind of a shame, but kind of a shame because, well, it's not that great of a video anyway because it's getting too dark. Ew, there it says right there. What does it say? Lighting environment too dark. I think we're going to come back at another time when we can get some better shots. Yep. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our way home. See what this guy's doing. He's kind of checking out the river, just like I am. Is he a drone pilot? Don't know. Yep, there we are. Beautiful night. Beautiful night here. Well, let's get up a little bit. 60 meters. We're gonna get up to 119. And got no lens on the camera. Oh, you can see the river down below. 100 meters. Okay, let's slow up a little bit. Okay, we don't want to break the 120 rule or the 400 rule. Let's see what kind of image we can get this late in the evening. It's actually getting too late as far as it's about 8:30, 8:45, but Don't think you should be flying this late without a proper light. All right, that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching this one. I'm gonna take her on
Maximum
home.
flight altitude reached.
That's not what I wanted to do. I'm gonna take her on home. And here, let's put some speed. I was on cinematic mode, normal. Here we go, sport mode. All right, let's move it. We're gonna get our descent. We're gonna descend a little bit and get some speed. 15 meters per second. That's pretty fast. Oh, let's watch the trees there. Right above the trees. Right above the trees. Okay, we're going to, looks we're heading right towards our where I am. Yep, it's gotten too dark. There we are, right there. Well, that's moving fast. Let's see if we can hear this drone fly right overhead. Yep, there it is. And there we are. And there are those birds. Man, I'm fortunate I didn't hit them. Oh, sorry about that. I just whipped the camera a little bit. Let's put this back in cinematic mode and have a look. It's amazing how they swoop in and they take off. Watch this. Look at that. They just come right away. All right, let's get out of here. I said before I was not going to play around with them, and really shouldn't. And yeah, that is actually the only time. I'm not going to do that again. I don't want to hit one of those birds and lose the drone. Either lose the drone or hurt one of them, or the drone could fly off and go a little erratic or what have you and hurt someone else. So, all right, thanks for watching. I'm out of here. See you on the next one.